guys! We're here in Montreal! Woo! How are you feeling right now?
Init. Kala ko malamig.
Sobrang init guys. Hi! We're here! Yan, nag-aabang na po kami ng Uber. And pupunta na po kami ng
hotel.
Okay, bye! Nahiya ako.
Ano that place? Sa mali tayong hotel. Magaling yung ating nabigera.
Yan. So, sa sobrang excited ko, nagbook ako ng Uber kagad. Tapos mali pala yung hotel.
Mga anak. Guys, look at there. That's Moro. Do you know where's the underground mall?
Guys, we made it to the right hotel.
Wow, I like the card.
Ang yung card.
Iuwi ko yan.
Yan. Ay, wow. Bathroom. Ayan, pagod na siya. Ganda nung couch, no? So, pupunta na kami sa Kinton Ramen. Okay, let's go! Tapos,
Yung sa gyoza natin.
chicken karagi.
Ano sa gyoza natin? Pork or veg? Wala silang ano.
Takbo ka! Day 2. We're gonna go to the guided bus tour. Tapos pipick upin kami dito sa hotel. And look, it's such a beautiful day. Very sunny today. And we're gonna walk around and explore Old Montreal, Chinatown, the Montreal Park, and lots of others. So, see ya!
Skyscraper of Montreal, and I saw there's kids in the bus. That's another place to go because inside there's an ice skating rink. You could go ice skating today after the tour. Catherine, right here on the left, 6 blocks, shopping. This is where you want to go. Our first picture stop is the Olympic Stadium. Do you like the stadium? I think it's kind of unique. $1 million in Montreal is rare. It's not the majority, it's the minority. In Toronto, it's all $1 million, something all summer. Montreal is a festive city. We have over 100 festivals, and it's a non-stop. Here,
Notre Dame, best Notre Dame. Got
that's good.
tote bag.
Remember, 2 in 1.
Tapos, parang, ano ba ito?
Kuha pa tayo sa
Montreal.
So we have 3 here. What time is it? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. There's 99 steps. It's a sanctuary. But now they blocked the stairs, and I don't know why.
super ganda pa ng weather. We're here in the Ferris wheel called La Grande Rue de Montreal. Ang ganda doon, no? Oh my God.
Parang hindi 15 minutes to.
Ayan, tawag dito is Bon Secours Market ata. Buong steep nilakad ko yan. Pero hindi pa ako napag-Ferris wheel. Kasi medyo sad pag mag-isa ka nag-Ferris wheel. Parang heartbroken vibes. Charot.
Kapit kayo.
Old Montreal. Did you enjoy it, Baba?